Obrador, the chapter president of IIEE Southern Cavite chapter. So we joined the IIEE Electrical Safety Advocacy contest. So kaya namin nakuha yung Silver Award is because we visited and audited 24 institutions all over Southern Cavite. So kasama doon ang church, company, and school. So doon we conducted electrical safety inspection to make sure that yung mga institutions within IIEE Southern Cavite chapters vicinity ay safe po from electrical hazards. Besides from that, nag-conduct din po kami ng seminars para maipangalat yung electrical safety advocacy ng whole ng IIEE. So, then we also conducted kick-off for motorcade. Doon po pinakita namin na ang IIEE and May is Electrical Safety Month.
So for how many years na kayo na ginawa itong good practices in your chapter month?
As an officer, I've been an officer for 8 years na. And kami, even kahit wala pong electrical safety contest, talagang nagko-conduct po kami ng inspection sa school. So, kaya bago pa po i-announce yung electrical safety contest, may mga activities na po kaming nagawa. So, kinumpile na lang po namin siya.
Meron kayong mensahe or departing message or greetings with this mid-year convention of 50 years anniversary?
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ko sa mga chapter members ko, officers and committee leads because this award wouldn't be hindi namin makukuha without this. So, maraming salamat po sa mid-year convention, sa Electrical Safety Committee,